Welcome back to the Green Beauty Collective. In today's video, we are playing with makeup and getting creative. So we are going to give you some tips on using your makeup products in different ways than you normally do. And in this video, we use 7 different products. So the first step is, if you wear foundation, we are going to apply the foundation with a flat top multi-use brush instead of a traditional sponge or a traditional foundation brush. And the reason I like using this flat top brush is because it really helps buff the product into the skin, and it gives it a really awesome coverage if you are looking for a little bit more coverage in your foundation. Next up, we have concealer, and I didn't use this product in a different way or use a different product to do the concealing because, to be quite honest, I don't have another product that can conceal the way that a concealer does, of course. So I'm just placing this under the eyes, and the technique that I'm using is I'm pressing it into the skin. We want to press instead of pull because we don't want to wipe the product away. It's shining through the light in you. I'm also using the concealer around the nose because we tend to get quite red around the nose. So I'm just using that pressing technique again, just right around the nose. And I typically use a mattifying setting powder, but because Claire does have a tan, I decided to use the Goddess Glow powder from Elate today just to kind of warm up her skin and use it as a setting powder in the areas that I need. Feel free to run, make it once again, and dreams. And next I'm going in with a smaller contour brush, and I'm lightly contouring just right under the cheekbone into the shadow of the face. It's shining through the light in you. Today I chose to use the Elate Twinkle powder in Paragon as a highlighter. So I took a little dip into my brush, wiped it off a bit, and I'm just pressing this right into the areas that we typically highlight. So right on top of the cheekbone, and then under the brows, just right where the bone protrudes a little bit, and you're going to get that really nice glowy highlight. And the nice thing about the Twinkle powder is it has a little bit of sparkle in it. So if you are a fan of sparkle or just a larger pigment, this is going to be your highlighting product. So we're going to transition to shadow now, and I decided to use the Elate Cosmetics Brow Balm as a primer for the eyes. And the reason I chose to do this is because it does give a deeper, almost shadowed look when I blended it right onto the eyelid, and it's going to help hold the eyeshadow on and intensify the color. The ocean called for you. I had a bit of product left on the back of my hand, so I'm going in and just really lightly filling in Claire's eyebrows, just where needed, not huge blocks or anything, just where the brows are a little bit sparse. Fear, it's leaving now. I waited here, but nothing came. So I close my eyes, 'cause you reflected. So I'm going back to that same Goddess Glow bronzer that we used to warm up the skin and set the foundation, and I'm going to blend this right onto Claire's eyelid with the blending brush. And I'm just buffing it out nice and soft right into the crease. I'm also using this right along the bottom lash line as well, just to connect the eyeshadow with the top. We want this to be a really nice soft smoky look, so I always connect the bottom with the top when I'm doing this type of look. And I wanted this look to be wearable for Claire, so I decided to go with a traditional mascara instead of using something like a liquid eyeliner, because I wanted her to be able to wear this makeup out for the day. So we just went with our traditional Elate mascara. The next product that I've decided to get creative with is one of the Elate lipsticks, the new color in Adore. And what I did is I warmed this up on the back of my hand and I pressed it into my brush, and now I am putting it on just like a cream blush. And the final step to this makeup look is adding a lip, and what I decided to do is mix two colors together. So I mixed the new lipstick from Elate Adore with Spirit to lighten it up. Thanks so much for sticking around for the reveal of the final look. If you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up or subscribe. And if you would like to purchase any of the products that we mentioned, all of the products with the links are in the description bar below. Have a good day. Life is in a stream.